Are you looking for the best executive desks? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best executive desks on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Sweetcrispy L-shaped gaming desk. The Sweetcrispy gaming desk is designed to enhance your gaming or work experience. With its adaptable layout, you can easily configure it to fit your space, whether you prefer an L or U shape. The sturdy metal frame ensures long-lasting stability, making it perfect for intense gaming sessions or long work hours. Its sleek design not only adds elegance to your room but also comes in 4 colors to match your style. Additionally, a side storage bag helps keep your essentials organized, while a built-in CPU tray elevates your computer tower for better airflow and accessibility. What we like: easy assembly process, spacious workspace, sturdy and durable build, reversible L-shaped design, affordable price. Number 2. Huuger 55-inch computer desk. The Huuger computer desk is a stylish and functional addition to any workspace. Its spacious design allows you to organize your computer, calendar, and lamp while still having room for a coffee cup. This versatile desk adapts to various needs, whether you are working, studying, or gaming. Built from durable materials, it offers a sturdy structure, ensuring stability for all your activities. With a range of colors and sizes available, you can easily find a desk that complements your home decor. Plus, assembly is straightforward, taking less than 40 minutes to set up. What we like: sturdy construction, spacious desktop, easy assembly, clear instructions, great value. Number 3. Huuger L-shaped desk with outlets. The Huuger L-shaped desk is designed for versatility and convenience in your workspace. With 4 AC outlets and a USB port, you can easily charge your devices and keep your workspace organized without searching for sockets. The desk features 3 spacious drawers, perfect for storing office supplies or gaming accessories, helping you maintain a clutter-free area. Its reversible design allows you to customize the setup to fit your space, whether you work alone or with others. Built with sturdy materials, this desk is durable and stable, making it a reliable choice for daily use. What we like: easy assembly instructions, sturdy metal frame, flexible L-shaped configuration, built-in power strip. Good value for price. Number 4. Sweetcrispy 47-inch computer desk with storage. The Sweetcrispy computer desk offers plenty of storage with 6 fabric drawers and 2 shelves, helping you keep your workspace tidy and organized. You can adjust or remove the middle shelf to fit taller items like a CPU tower or books, making it adaptable to your needs. Built with a sturdy metal frame and reinforced with triangular brackets, this desk provides a strong, stable surface for work or gaming. Plus, its versatile design fits well in a home office, bedroom, or living room, serving as a study desk, gaming station, or craft table. It's a practical choice for anyone needing a reliable and spacious workspace. What we like: ample storage space, adjustable shelving, sturdy metal frame, versatile use. Number 5. Huuger 47-inch computer desk. The Huuger computer desk offers a versatile workspace with 6 spacious drawers, perfect for keeping your office or gaming area organized. You can easily customize the desk's layout by placing the drawers on either side, adapting it to your room's configuration. The adjustable middle shelf allows you to store items of varying heights, making it convenient for everything from books to gaming gear. Built with solid materials, this desk ensures stability during long work hours or intense gaming sessions, providing you with a reliable and efficient environment. What we like: ample storage space, reversible design, adjustable shelving, sturdy construction,